Hello everyone! Let's discuss mean, median, and mode. First things first, we have all three definitions here, and we're going to go through each definition as we go through the problems. Okay, so here's our problem. You and your friends are comparing the number of times you have been to the movies in the past year. The following table illustrates how many times each person went to the movie theater each month. Wish I could afford to go to the movie theater that often, but not anymore. Okay, number one, by comparing modes, which person went to the movies the least per month? Okay, so let's look at the mode. What is a mode? A mode is a data point that appears most often. The way I like to remember mode, well, that's colored over it. I think I meant to use a highlighter. Okay, mode appears the most. I don't know if that helps you, but maybe. Okay, so let's see. How many ones does John have? 1, 2, 3. Okay, and he has 1, 2, 3, 4 twos. And he has, let's see, how many threes he has? 3 threes, okay. So far, 2 appears most often, 4 ones. So John's mode is 2. I'm just going to write them in order. Well, John will be the first one. Okay, Mary. Let's see. Mary has 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. I don't think I see any other number having more than that. So, 1 for Mary. Okay, Brian. The number that appears most often, he has only 3 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 twos. I think 2 is the most popular one for Brian. And lastly, let's look at Kelly. Kelly seems to have only 3 ones, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 twos. So that appears the most often. Okay, so by comparing modes, which person went to the movies least per month? That would be M for Mary. I'm just going to keep it with an M. Right, by comparing medians, who went the most per month? Okay, median. Let's see what that is. A median is the number in the exact middle of the data, so it slices it in half. Now we have a little issue. We have 12 months, so there is no real halfway point. But we'll see how that works out. Okay. I know in middle school, you would have organized these all and then started crossing them off, but we don't really need to rewrite anything. I just need to begin crossing off least and greatest. So I'm going to begin with the smallest number for John, which is 1, and cross off the highest number, 5. I have another 1 for Josh, so I'm going to cross off, there's no other 5s, so I'll cross off a 4. Yet another 1 for Josh. Do I have any other 4s? No, so I'll cross off a 3. Is there any more 1s? No. Okay, so then I cross off a 2, another 3, another 2, another 3. Okay, well, the middle between 2 and 2 is 2. So John has a median of 2. Let's do the same thing with Mary. Looks like Mary's median is also 2. Okay, let's continue and do Brian. Between 2 and 2 again. Alright, Brian has a median of 2 as well. Let's see about Kelly. looks like Kelly's median is also 2. So, using medians, none of them went the most. They all went the same. So none. They all went a median of 2. Now, you can still rewrite them all in order and cross them out one at a time, if that helps you visualize it a little bit better. However, we want to kind of, advance your brains a little bit and not have you do that. Okay. Rank the friends in order of the most movies seen to the least by comparing their means. Okay, let's see what mean means. Mean is the average of the data set. We add up all the pieces of data and then divide by the number of pieces of data. Okay, well, that means we're going to add up all of these numbers and divide it by 12 because there's 12 months in a year. Okay, let's begin adding. Let's do John. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 2 is 6, plus 5 is 11, plus 2 is 13, plus 3 is 16, 17, 21, 23, 26, 28, 29. So John has 29. And we need to divide that by 12, of course. I'm going to erase that and do that. So, John, 29. Wow, that was an ugly 2. Let's try that again. 29 over 12. I'm going to input this all in a calculator later. I actually don't know if that's even necessary because we can just compare the fractions. Mary is also going to be over 12. I'm just going to prep these. Brian over 12 and Kelly over 12. All right, let's add. Mary. 1 plus 2 is 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 12, 14, 16, 20, 21, 23. Okay, Brian. 1, 4, 6, 8, 9, 13, 18, 21, 23, 25, 26, 29. All right. Kelly, 2, 4, 5, 6, 9, 11, 15, 16, 19, 21, 24, 26. All right, well, John and Brian both saw the same amount of movies all year. I'm not dividing it because I don't really need to. They're all over 12. Let's order them. Least to greatest. Mary, Kelly, and then John and Brian. That was such an ugly J. Okay, let's continue. Which month, by comparing the means of the movies in each month, is the most popular month to watch? Okay. Well, once again, I'm dividing all of them by 4. That should be a little easier than 12. I have that in my memory banks. And I'll write the numbers next to the months. Okay. I'm going to zoom in. Okie dokie. I want to use a different color. Purple. Alright, January. 1, 2, 3, 5. 5 out of 4. Okay, February. 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. So, 10 out of 4. March. That would be 6 out of 4. April is 6 plus 3, 9 out of 4. May is 7 out of 4. June is 6, 10, 12 out of 4. It sounds about right. Summer movies, usually the ones people go to the most. July, 1, 4 plus 9 is 13. Yeah, even more, right? Lots of blockbusters. August, yeah, this one's going to be a big one too, right before school. 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. September, 2, 4, 6, 9. October, 7 plus 4, 11. November is 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 4 plus 3 is 7. Out of 4, of course. And December is 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 2 is 8. So, according to these means, the most popular month is July. Alright, well, we can continue with 5 and 6, but I hope you got the idea here. If you have any more questions, please let me or your teachers know. Have a good one.